take a look at this and really actually analyze it for just a couple minutes. I want you guys to put away your phone and pay attention to this because this video is going to change the trajectory of your life. This screenshot right here is of my Phantom wallet not too long ago, about 7 months ago, when I had 14 cents in my wallet. I literally had 14 cents, not a single dollar. And if we scroll to the right, fast forward about 7 months, 125K that I had in my wallet before I withdrew it to my bank. And I'm going to tell you guys, it took me a lot of hard work to get there, and I'm going to save you guys all of the headaches to get exactly where I got to. So if you're watching this video, please pay attention. So I did record this video and I realized that it had no volume in it, so I have to redo the complete whole thing. So I'm just going to leave what I wrote on here. So back then, I used to think that trading meme coins was going to help me reach financial freedom. What do I mean by that? Okay, so look at this coin right here. I used to think that, okay, let's not use that coin, but on Memescope, I used to come on here and I used to camp it out. I used to load up Solana in my wallet every single day, and I would wait for a coin to actually graduate, and I would go in and I would quick buy every single time. Like I was doing that constantly every single day. I was a DJ and I was up till 3, 4 a.m. I didn't come out of my room. I didn't have a social life. And I'm telling you, it was so bad because there was times where I literally borrowed money from people, and I did pay them back eventually, but I was borrowing money from people thinking I was going to make money from it, and I would just lose it all and I would just get in a deeper hole. So it was a bad time in my life. And I did think that trading meme coins was going to help me reach the financial freedom that all these gurus told me, because every time I would go on there, I would put all the filters that they would tell me to do. I actually did buy a couple courses and join a couple groups. And I'm telling you guys right now, I do not sell anything. I do not sell a group. This is all information for free. So I took all their advice, and guess what? This was me. This is what happened every single time. I would boom, boom, boom. It would go up and I would buy like right here, and I would get completely rugged and I'll be cooked. Every single time, bro. It did not change. I promise you, it did not change. Yes, there was times where I would make a little bit of money. I would ride the wave and I'll be like, oh, I'm just going to wait till I get $600. And boom, it would get red candled and I would be done every single time, bro. Like that's just literally the reality of trading meme coins that no one tells you. So there was one day where I was literally there. It was like 2 a.m. and I was just cooked. And I thought to myself, wait, I'm getting rugged every single day. I bet you the people that are rugging us are making a crap ton of money. So that's when it literally like snapped in my head. And I'm like, wait, why don't I start doing that? Why don't I do this? And this is what brings me to my next point. I became a dev. I became a creator. I was the one rugging. I was the one creating the coins. So that's how I reached this level. And this is kind of what it means, right? So as you guys could see, the dev, I became the dev and I became the creator. And those two things single-handedly improved my life in so many ways, because when you become this, you just get so much more information. You become an insider. You can help people make money. What I mean by that, let's say I were to create the next coin, so quote unquote, the next Trump coin, and I reach out to these influencers and I tell them to promote my coin, right? They promote it. I give them supply. They sell before I rug, and I rug. They promote it. A lot of people buy. Market cap goes up. We both make money. It's a win-win. So that's just a bridge that I built right there. And I get more information. I get more people, more influencers, and it just keeps going up and up and up. I promise you guys, if you guys stick to this and you listen to what I'm going to tell you, you will literally change your life. So this brings me to my next point, right? This was a rug that I did about 2 days ago. And look at this beautiful rug that I orchestrated, guys. Look at that beautiful, beautiful candle right there. So it went up a little bit, pumped it up, and then boom, took it out, took it all out. And guess what I did after that? I went to the nicest restaurant with my girlfriend, with my nice watch and my nice car, and I had a great day. That's literally what I do every single day, bro. It doesn't get any better than that. I promise you, if you start doing this, you will literally reach that level. Stop trying to trade your way to the top. It's not going to work, especially in meme coins when everyone else is trying to rug. Why aren't you doing it, bro? Like, seriously, ask yourself that. Why haven't you started rugging it? Is it because you don't know how, or you're just so gay? Like, I'm going to teach you exactly how. And no, I don't mean on this stupid website right here. This is a website that people use to rug, and it is not good because none of these coins are taken seriously. They all have gay market caps, and they don't even get published on the Radium Dex. And if you guys do know that these tokens right here, good ones actually, are going to be on the Radium Dex. Like, look at these, for example. They have high market caps, very high market caps. People are buying all the time because they have high market caps because they are on the Radium Dex. So let me tell you guys how to get on the Radium Dex, how to actually start rugging, and how to start making a crap ton of money, boys. This website platform single-handedly changed my life. And like I said, I did create a token. I did go through everything. It was a banger video, and the freaking audio was not on, bro. So ass. But I'm just going to show you guys right here. So the meme coins, right? This is how you create them. This website, Memecoins.fun, has a bunch of cool features. It has a copy coin feature, which is phenomenal. I've been implementing this so much in my rugs recently. So you literally copy a trending token with one click, and you are literally going to guaranteed buys because it's going to look like the trending token. People are going to think it's a trending token, and they're going to buy it automatically. It is literally that simple, boys. But in this video, we're going to go the little bit user-friendly video because I do recommend well, I mean, you could start on either one, but once you get good at this, you'll be good at everything else, right? So the meme coin, right? Now, a lot of you guys are asking me, well, I want to rug, but how do I make a meme coin, or what do I make it on? So this is where I'm going to help you guys, right? Like I said, I did make the video, but I'm just going to repeat it again. You want to go or base your meme coin on actual real life events. What do I mean by that? Real life events, things that are happening in this world. Why I say real life events? Because a lot of these things are going to go worldwide. So for example, if Elon Musk launched one of his rockets today, let's say he launched this rocket like that, right? He launched the rocket. Or let's say Trump talks about some sort of tariff on China. Or for example, like today, we said that the Pope passed away, right? So we could base our meme coin on the Pope because it is one of the trending things in today's news that I know is going to be worldwide. And I know people are already making the coins on this because it's just, super popular. Like I said, it's a real life event. Let's scroll down, see if we can find anything on that. So there's one, there's another one, there's another one. So people are doing this and it is going to work. I'm telling you, it's going to work. So now that we have that, we're going to make our coin, let's just say on the Pope, right? Because that's what I did in my previous videos. It's going to get us more eyes. With more eyes, we get more buys. With more buys, we get a higher market cap, which is going to allow us to rug and make more money. Because if you want to rug at a higher market cap, obviously it's a no-brainer. You're going to make more money, right? So let's just say I created my coin already, right? I did make it. It was on the Pope, and I put the symbol. I just literally did this. RIP Pope. And then I put RIP Pope. That's literally what I did my coin on, right? So now right here, you want to do a 500 by 500. The way to do that is you literally just go to Canva, paste an image as a logo, download it, and throw it in here, and it will default do it for you. So that's pretty cool about it. Doesn't take a lot of time. So now if we go to the next step, which I'm not going to do again because I already made a coin, it's going to give you a prompt, like 3 prompts. You just continue on each time, and it's going to take you to the next one. When your coin is actually created, it's going to give you a view transaction, copy the address, do all that. So this is where it brings you to the next one, right? So we're going to do this right here. For the amount, we're going to do 90% because you want that other 10% to be for the people to buy supply. Then right here as well, I did this, but I do recommend to do anywhere from 0.3 to 1 sol. So after you do that and you create the pool, you are actually going to be able to see your token on the dexes, and you're going to see the the green candles where it gets pumped up, etc., right? So now that you guys do that and you are actually done creating your token right here, after we did this, we're going to promote it. But I do recommend to do this beforehand because this is very important, because obviously you want to get people to buy, right? So like I said in the previous video, there's a couple ways to do this. So you want to reach out to people that have a lot of influence, people that have a lot of followers, OF girls, people that are in the space already, or, you know, in something similar. You want to find them on Instagram and you want to reach out to them via DM. And I did have some comments of people telling me, well, what do I tell them? Blah, blah, blah. So this is where ChatGPT is going to come in clutch. I did tell ChatGPT to do this. They couldn't help me. And it's just so whack. So ChatGPT, you're gay. You're gay. You're gay. All right. So I went to DeepSeek right here. It's kind of like ChatGPT, but better. So I told them, make me a message, and it literally made the message. And don't make it so robotic. Kind of change it up a little bit. Make it seem like, you know, you're a cool guy, whatever it is. And you're just going to tell them that your coin is going to be the next Trump coin, whatever coin. It's going to go to the moon and you need their help to promote it. Say that you're going to give them supply. It's going to be a win-win because one, they're going to promote your coin. People are going to buy. It's going to have a high market cap and you're going to make a lot of money. And two, they're going to put no money in. They're going to get supply prior to the launch. They sell before you rug and they make money. So it's a win-win for both of you guys. So it is an absolute no-brainer for them to want to work with you, right? So that's one way to do it. Another way to do it is you go on Google, you search up the 103 best, or like, let me just tell you guys what I searched up. This is what I searched up, crypto groups Telegram. First one right there, click it. All these groups are going to pop up. Make sure you filter for groups and not channels. So don't join a channel. You want to do a group because then you could actually talk. After you join, you're kind of going to do the same thing. You say, hey, DeepSeek, make me a message promoting my meme coin. Say it's going to be the next Trump coin. If you don't invest, you are gay. And, you know, blah, 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 blah. You send it, you copy it, you send it to all the groups. People are going to buy. Your coin is going to get pumped up. And you're going to, you know, do everything else. And you're just going to rug. So that's literally all it is, guys. I did tell you guys that the website or the platform that I've been using is Memecoins.fun. This website is phenomenal. Don't use this other website. It's trash. It is literally trash. I'm telling you guys, if you guys listen to me and actually do what I say, you are going to make a crap ton of money. So if you guys have any questions, I do have my Telegram in the comments. So yeah, reach out to me. Thank you.